Welcome students. So today we are going to continue with Act 2 Scene 1 of The Tempest. Okay. So in this scene, this has been quite a lengthy one. So in this scene, what we have seen? We have seen that all these people who who got saved from the shipwreck, they talked among themselves, and we have come to know about the reason why they were on the sea, from where they were coming, that the daughter of the king had been married in Africa to Prince of Tunis, and and then we have seen about this old fellow, Gonzalo, who was who has been a great pillar of support. He has always tried to make everybody happy, to make everyone laugh, and even if it was on himself. And then after much discussion, due to the music played by Ariel, some of them went to sleep along with the king, Gonzalo king. Now, a very important thing that we read in the last video, that is in the previous part from where we are going to start today, is that this Sebastian and Antonio, they were awake while the king and some of them were asleep. Now, this Antonio he was constantly harping on the idea of killing the king, and Sebastian was at first trying to show that he was not able to understand, he was not able to get to the meaning of what actually Antonio was trying to say. And then Antonio quite blatantly said about his plan, and then here, from where we are going to begin today, Sebastian, methinks I do, here at last Sebastian gives up his show of not understanding Antonio. এইখানে এসে অ্যাট লাস্ট সেবাস্টিয়ান নিজের এই আমি তোমার কথা বুঝছি না এই মানে एक्टिंगটা ও বন্ধ করে দিল। ओके, सो यहाँ पर सेबास्टियन जो है एट लास्ट ये मान गया, ये जो एक्टिंग कर रहा था कि वो एंटोनियो का बात नहीं समझ रहा है, वो यहाँ पे आके उसने छोड़ दिया और कहा कि यस, मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो, আমি বুঝতে পারছি তুমি কি বলছো। And how does your content tender your own good fortune? Antonio says. So now what does he mean by this? He wants to say that how do your desires now regard your good fortune? That is quite like do you understand that your happiness now offers good fortune to you? That good fortune is there waiting for you? Are you satisfied with my proposals that I have been giving to you all this while? Sebastian, I remember you did supplant your brother Prospero. Now here you see we are again getting another important information. What we are getting? আমরা কি পাচ্ছি? এইখানে সেবাস্টিয়ান বলছে যে হ্যাঁ, আমার মনে আছে, আই রিমেম্বার, যে তুমি কি করে তোমার ব্রাদারকে সরিয়ে তার জায়গাটা তুমি নিয়েছো। হ্যাঁ, তো সেই জন্য তুমি তুমি আমার টিচার হতেই পারো এই ব্যাপারটায়, যে আমিও কীভাবে আমার ব্রাদারকে সরিয়ে তার জায়গাটা নেব। ট্রু, অ্যান্ড লুক হাউ ওয়েল মাই গার্মেন্টস সিট আপন মি মাচ ফিটার দ্যান বিফোর। এখানে অ্যান্টোনিও একদম স্বীকার করছে, ও একদম মান जाता है खुलेआम कि हाँ, सच बोले हो, इट इज़ ट्रू दैट आई डिड सो। एंड नाउ लुक how my garments, that is the royal robes, actually he got a good position in the royal position, so his royal robes actually fitted in, and he was looking much handsomer, he was looking handsomer than he did when he was only a courtier. His brother's servants were then my fellows, and now they are my men. So actually his brother was the royal person then, And so his brother's servants and he, that means Antonio, he himself were, fellows, were equals. But now he has become the royal person, and so they have become his servants. And he is very much satisfied with this. Okay? Sebastian, but for your conscience. So Sebastian is telling that, okay, that you are very much happy with your garments, with your servants, and with your position. But what about your conscience? Doesn't it prick you at times? I said, where lies that? So now, he is not at all concerned about the conscience. He says, Acha, kothay ache ota? Where lies that conscience? Kahan rehta hai wo? If it were a kaib, it would put me to my slipper. Now he says that if it were a kaib means a sore throat, sore heel. That means a gorali, jeta ব্যথা পাচ্ছে কি, sore heel. It would put me to my slipper. So, in that case, I will, exchange my shoes, my boot for a slipper. I will go to a slipper. But I feel not this deity in my bosom. But I do not feel any, a presence of this conscious thing in my bosom. 20 consciences that stand betwixt me and Milan, candid be they and melt ere they molest. Now, if there are not, actually we all have one conscience, but if there are actually 20 conscience, 20 conscience ও যদি থাকতো, 20 conscience ও যদি থাকতো between me and Milan, conscience তো আমাকে এই বাজে কাজটা করতে দিত না, তাহলে between me and Milan যদি 20 conscience ও থাকতো, আমি পাত্তা দিতাম না. Let them be frozen or let them be melt away before they come and hinder my plans. Okay? Before they trouble me, before they give me any such trouble about not achieving my purpose, I will be happy if they become frozen or they get melt away. Here lies your brother. You see? Now this is Sebastian actually. Here lies your brother. Your means here he is telling to Sebastian. সি দেখো তোমার ভাই এখানে রয়েছে, নো বেটার দ্যান দ্য আর্থ হি লাইজ আপন, এবং যে মাটির ওপরে শুয়ে ঘুমোচ্ছে ওই মাটির মতোই ও হয়ে আছে, অ্যাজ ডেড অ্যাজ দ্য লাম্প অফ আর্থ. সো হি ইজ ওপেনলি ইনস্টিগেটিং টু কিল হিম ইফ হি ওয়ার দ্যাট হুইচ নাও হি ইজ লাইক. সো সি দ্যাটস ডেড. হি ইজ ওপেনলি ইনস্টিগেটিং সেবাস্টিয়ান কি ও যেরাম আছে ঘুমন্ত প্রাইম, মানে দ্য স্লিপিং পার্সন quite resembles a dead person. Okay, so ওকে মেরে দাও, যেরকম দেখতে লাগছে ওইরামিও হয়ে যাক, চিরঘুমে চলে যাক. Whom I with this obedient still 3 inches of it can lay to bed forever, and with this dagger which I have, just by 3 inches, if this dagger goes inside him, if I strike him and if I just take 3 inches of this dagger into him, bas he will be like in his eternal sleep, can lay to bed forever, he will be eternal sleep. Whereas you doing thus to the perpetual wink of an eye might put this ancient morsel, this Sir Prudence, who should not upbraid our course. And now what he is telling, you see, he is telling that just by sticking 3 inches of the dagger, we will be like the king will be dead forever, he will be in his eternal sleep. And then he refers to Gonzalo, and he says that if this ancient morsel actually piece of flesh, and ancient, he is referring to the age of Gonzalo, he is actually old, so he is like ancient morsel. If মানে গনজালোকেও যদি মেরে দেওয়া যায়, if you kill him also, because he will not, he is actually Sir Prudence, because he was constantly teaching wisdom and all that moral lectures. So he must not be living if the king is killed. He must be dispatched as well. Okay. For all the rest, they all take suggestion as a cat laps milk, and বাকি যারা আছে যেরকম ধরো আদ্রিয়ান, ফ্রান্সিসকো, বাকি যারা আছে তাদের কোনো ব্যাপার না। যেরকমভাবে ক্যাট মিল্ক খায় সেরকমভাবে ওরাও আমাদের ইভিল থিংস, আমাদের ইভিল সাজেশনসকে নিয়ে নেবে। দে উইল বি হ্যাপি টু ফল ইন আওয়ার প্ল্যান। দে উইল টেল দ্য ক্লক টু এনি বিজনেস দ্যাট উই সে বিফিটস দ্য আওয়ার, and they will do exactly what we will ask them to do. Okay, they will say not the real time, but like they will act like according to the time that is right for our business. That means they will do whatever we say for our benefit. They will not disobey. Sebastian, thy case, dear friend, shall be may precedent. As thou gottest Milan, I will come by Naples. Draw thy sword, one stroke shall free thee from the tribute which thou payest, and I, the king, shall love thee. So here you see Sebastian says, thy case, dear friend. Now he says that your case shall be my example. I will take you as my teacher, and I will follow your example. I will get the possession of Naples exactly the same way you will get, or you will secure, Milan. Draw your sword, and one use of the sword, one blow from the sword will release you from the tribute. একটা বার swordটা ইউজ করো তুমি, এবং সেখান থেকে কি হবে? তুমি যদি আলোনসোকে আলোনসো যদি মারা যায় তাহলে হোয়াট এভার ট্রিবিউট ইউ পে টু আলোনসো সেটা আর দিতে হবে না, আর আমি কিং হয়ে যাব, অ্যান্ড আই উইল লাভ ইউ ফর এভার। ঠিক আছে, এই কাজে তাহলে তুমি যদি আমাকে এইভাবে যদি রাজা বানিয়ে দাও তাহলে আমি আর তোমার থেকে ট্রিবিউট নেব না, আর আলোনসো তো চলেই গেল। অ্যান্টোনিও, ড্র টুগেদার, অ্যান্ড হোয়েন আই রিয়ার মাই হ্যান্ড ডু ইউ দ্য লাইক টু ফল ইট অন গনজালো। তো তখন অ্যান্টোনিও বলছে, ওকে, লেট আস ড্র আওয়ার সোর্ডস টুগেদার, অ্যান্ড হোয়েন আই রেজ মাই হ্যান্ড ডু দ্য সেম অ্যান্ড লেট ইট ফল অন গনজালো। তাহলে আমি আলোনসোকে দেবো আর তুমি তাহলে গনজালোকে মারবে। But one word. So they actually they were having some discussion. He said that come, I have something to discuss. Now Ariel enters, and he enters with music and song. Now see, Ariel, my master through his art foresees the danger that you, his friend, are in, and sends me forth, for else his project dies, to keep them living. Sings in Gonzalo's ear. Now what is this? Now Ariel says that my master, that is Prospero, by the means of his magic, Prospero knew magic, so by the means of his magic he could anticipate the danger that surrounded his friend, that is sleeping Gonzalo, and the danger to his life. And so he had sent Ariel, or else his project will it will fall apart. They need to be keep living, they need to be alive. So he has sent Ariel to go and wake them up, and he sings in Gonzalo's ears. While you here do snoring lie, open-eyed conspiracy his time doth take. If of life you keep a care, shake off slumber and beware, awake, awake. So what he says? What does he sing? That you are here in deep sleep, and there are conspiracy against your life. The conspirators are, were waiting for this opportunity, and they will, they will avail this opportunity. If you care for your life, shake off your sleep and be on your guard, awake, awake. Antonio, then let us both be sudden. So Antonio and Sebastian were talking about this only, and Antonio just said that okay, let us attack them suddenly, all of a sudden. Now Gonzalo wakes up. Now, good angels, preserve the king. And he wakes up and says that, oh, preserve the king, you may be safe and all that. Alonso, why, how, now ho, awake, why are you drawn, wherefore this ghastly looking? Now when Alonso wakes up and when Gonzalo also wakes up, what did they see? They saw Antonio and Sebastian both had drawn their swords. So at first Gonzalo's reaction was, God, Lord preserve the king, seeing them with swords. And now Alonso says that what happened, awake, and what happened, why are you drawn? That means why have you drawn out your swords? And why are you looking like this? Okay. So now Gonzalo, what's the matter? Sebastian, whilst we stood here securing your repose, even now we heard a hollow burst of bellowing like bulls or rather lions. Did it not wake you? Did it not wake you? It struck mine ear most terribly. So here Sebastian says, now he had to give some excuse for both of them, because both of them had drawn the swords. So he had to give some excuse, and here what he said is ki amra ekhane dariye chilam, we were actually standing here and guarding you, and then suddenly we heard a huge terrible sound like bulls or lions, and did not that sound wake you up? আমার কানে তো ওটা ভয়ঙ্করভাবে লেগেছে, it struck my ear terribly. Did it not wake you up? Alonso, I heard nothing, আমি কিছু শুনিনি. Antonio, oh, it was a din to fright a monster's ear, to make an earthquake. Here it was the roar of a whole herd of lions. Now Antonio also took the clue from Sebastian and continued the excuse. Yes, it was बहुत ज़्यादा ही आवाज़ था. It was a loud sound. Din, it's a very deafening sound actually, and so much terrible sound that it would have actually frightened a monster too, and like it could have resulted into earthquake. Surely it was a herd of lions. Heard you this, Gonzalo? Alonso asked that. Gonzalo, did you hear all this terrible noise? Now Gonzalo says, upon mine honor, sir, I heard a humming, and that a strange one too, which did awake me. Now Gonzalo says जे हाँ आमी सुने ची, मैंने कुछ सुना तो, लेकिन वो एक हमिंग साउंड था, कोई टेरेबल नहीं था, और वो थोड़ा स्ट्रेंज था जो मुझको जगा दिया. I shaked you, sir, and cried. As mine eyes opened, I saw their weapons drawn. और जैसे ही मैं उठा, as soon as I awoke, I shaked you, I shook you, and just as I opened my eyes, I saw that कि ये दोनों जो है अपना तलवार लेके खड़े. There was a noise, that's verily, it's best we stand upon our guard. So it's best, lion ho, humming sound ho, jo bhi ho, there was a noise, and now it's best that we must stand in our guard. Or that we quit this place, let us draw our weapons, let us take out our weapons, lay off this ground, and let's make further search for my poor son. So Alonso also says, okay, now let us go from here and let us continue searching my poor son. Heavens keep him from these beasts, for he is sure in the island. Now these beasts actually Gonzalo is referring to whatever Antonio and Sebastian had said, कि if there are really these beasts, then please keep the son safe from them. Alonso, lead away. Prospero, my lord shall know what I have done, so king, go safely on to seek thy son. So now Ariel says, Prospero will surely know what I have done, and now king, go safely to seek thy son, go and search your son safely. Now here Act 2 Scene 1 ends. There are certain things that I need to tell you about this. Actually the whole scene has been completed, and it's not very difficult to understand, but there is a striking similarity between these two people's plan of killing Alonso, sleeping Alonso, with Macbeth and Lady Macbeth's plan of killing sleeping king. The only difference is here the king, actually the plan failed and the king lived, whereas in Macbeth the king died. Macbeth actually murdered the sleeping king. And there also the same thing was there, like kill the king and become the king yourself. And এখানে যেরকম Antonio was instigating Sebastian, there Lady Macbeth instigated Macbeth. So this there is a striking resemblance to that plan, that macabre plan, but it did not become macabre because Ariel interrupted and the plan failed. and there it was like the plan worked and the king died. He was murdered by the most trusted man, his most trusted man, that is Macbeth. And then the, the story, it was like the drama unfolded. And so this you will have to mention when you will have to write answers regarding this scene. Okay, this plot, this scene, you will have to mention this similarity between Macbeth and that plan and this plan. Okay, so please go through act 2 scene 1, and later on we will also discuss some question answers on this scene in my next video, which will come very soon. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel, and please go through the scene. Okay, goodbye students.